Morning my dear students, welcome back to online class of science of class 3rd. How are you all? Hope you all are fine there. Students, today in this video I am going to give you question answers and exercises of lesson number 7. In my previous video I have completed explanation of that chapter. So not further delay, take out your book and open lesson number 7 exercises. Here you can see it is on page number 52. Your first exercise is tick the correct answers. Water exists in dash form, so here is 3. When water is frozen, it becomes ice. Steam is the form of gaseous. The molecules are the most closely packed in solid. Now fill in the blanks. Pieces of ice are hard. Students, you can take a screenshot after pausing the video to write all these answers. Now come on next page. The dash have no definite volume, shape or size. Answer is gases. Matter has weight and it occupies spaces. Water flows easily because it is a liquid. Okay. Now fourth is here. You can write down yourself. Solids I have written here. Liquids and gases. Same as draw the arrangement of the molecules. Solid में बहुत closely packed होते हैं. Here I have drawn. आपको ये पूरे में बनाना है. ये मैंने क्लोजली पैक्ड बनाए हैं एंड हेयर लूजली एंड बहुत दूर दूर होते हैं, फार अवे टू ईच अदर. नाउ हेयर यू हैव टू फिल द बॉक्सेस हेयर. सो वाटर इज चेंजिंग इनटू स्टीम, दैट इज कॉल्ड इवेपोरेशन, एंड देन स्टीम इज अगेन चेंजिंग इन वाटर, इज कॉल्ड कंडेंसेशन. Water is changing into ice is called freezing, and what ice is changing into water is called melting. Okay, you all can take a screenshot to write all these answers. Now come on next page. Here first is the process of changing a solid into liquid. So student, this is called melting. Solid का liquid में change किया है melting. Here you have to write melting. Second, the state of matter that has no fixed shape or volume. Here is gas. State of matter that has fixed volume and shape is called solid. The change of water into water vapor on heating is, here you can see, change of water to water vapor on heating is evaporation. Here anything that occupies space and has weight, matter. Here all matter is made up of these molecules. Here okay. Now next question answers. Take out your copy and pencil, eraser. You all have to write neatly and cleanly. Okay students, your first question is here, what is matter? Answer is anything that has weight and occupies space is called matter. Second, write any two difference between solid, liquid and gases. So here I have written, in this way you have to write solid, liquid, gases. Take a screenshot to write these answers. Now come on next. Here C, define the terms. First is evaporation, second condensation. Evaporation, the change of water into water vapor on heating is called evaporation. Don't forget to write heating, okay? And condensation, the change of water vapor into water on cooling is called condensation. Difference between melting and freezing. So the process of changing a solid into liquid is called melting, while the process of changing a liquid into solid is called freezing. You can take a screenshot. Come on next. Here hot questions. Why does the smell of the incense stick spread in the room? So the smell of incense stick spread in the room due to the diffusion of its smoke into the air. Now second, why does your mother put a cup of melted ice cream in the freezer? To freeze the ice cream. Ice cream को जमाने के लिए. So students, your chapter is over. It is sufficient for today, and your homework is you have to learn the exercises after writing all these work. I will meet you in my next video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care.